Let's be real, AI isn't some far-off future thing anymore. It's here, and it's completely changing the game in sales. It's creating this huge gap between the teams who use it and the teams who don't. But as everyone rushes to get ahead, they're slamming right into a massive hidden challenge. So what is this roadblock nobody's talking about, and how do you get around it to actually win? Let's dive in. So first things first, let's just wrap our heads around how big this change really is. We're not talking about a trend that's coming in a few years. This is happening right now, today. And the numbers are kind of mind-blowing.
Okay, so get this. According to a big report from Salesforce, a staggering 81% of sales teams are already using AI. I mean, just let that sink in for a second. That means 4 out of every 5 teams you're up against are already using this stuff. It's not the exception anymore. It's the new standard.
And look, this isn't just about teams grabbing shiny new toys. It's directly tied to performance. You can see it right here. An incredible 83% of the teams with AI saw their revenue grow last year. But for the teams without it, that number plummets to 66%. The proof is in the pudding, right? AI is making a real financial difference. So you might be wondering, what is this AI actually doing? Well, think of it like a super smart assistant working in the background. It's helping personalize messages so you don't sound like a robot. It's predicting what a customer might want next. And maybe most importantly, it's automating all those boring, routine tasks that eat up a salesperson's day. Okay, but here's the twist. Because in this mad dash to get all the amazing benefits of AI, a really serious problem is popping up, and it could basically cancel out all the good stuff if we're not careful. So we already know that salespeople spend, get this, a whopping 70% of their time on stuff that isn't actually selling. That's crazy, right? And that's the whole problem AI is supposed to fix, to let humans do what they do best, connect with people and actually sell. And that brings us to a really, really important question. In our hurry to make everything faster and more efficient as we automate more and more, what are we accidentally giving up in the process? And wow, this number right here just says it all. Turns out, only 55% of business buyers actually trust AI to be as good as a person. That is a massive trust gap. We're talking almost half of your potential customers are looking at this new tech with some serious side-eye. And this isn't just some theory, When companies were asked what's stopping them from going all in on AI, look at what they said. Right near the top, customer distrust. But it's not just that. It's also not enough human oversight, security worries, bad data, not enough training. It's a whole mess of challenges both inside and out. And this is the real kicker. Even though everyone knows customers are skeptical and that we need humans in the loop, less than half of sales teams are bothering to set up any rules for using AI ethically. It's like seeing a huge pothole in the road and just deciding to speed up.
All right, so we've laid out the problem, and it's a big one. But the good news is there's a way through this. To really get the power of AI without losing customer trust, you just need a solid, ethical game plan.
I love this quote here. It really nails it. This isn't just about dodging trouble. The whole point is to use these ethical rules to build the one thing that truly matters, customer trust that actually lasts. So this playbook breaks down into 4 simple steps. It's pretty straightforward. 1, be transparent. 2, protect the data. 3, fight against bias. And 4, use AI to make things better for the customer, not to trick them. So let's break that down, starting with transparency. It's actually super simple. If a customer is chatting with a bot, just tell them it's a bot. Trying to pretend it's a person, that's probably the quickest way to kill any trust you hope to build. Okay, next up is protecting data. And this one is a total non-negotiable. You've got these huge laws like GDPR and TCPA that can hit you with massive fines if you mess up. And that same level of care has to apply to everything else, right? Like actively checking your AI to make sure it's being fair, and always using these tools to help people, not to mess with them. And all of this, it really hinges on one key ingredient. So how do you actually make all this happen? Well, it all boils down to one big idea: changing how you think about the relationship between your team and your tech. The magic phrase here is human-in-the-loop AI. It basically means the machine doesn't just run wild on its own. A person is always part of the process. They're training the AI, they're checking its work for mistakes or weird biases, and this is the most important part, they're ready to jump in whenever a real human touch is needed. I mean, just look at the comparison here. You let AI run solo, and you risk it being biased, impersonal, and just plain wrong sometimes. But when you team it up with a person, now you're talking. The AI does all the boring admin stuff, it crunches the data, and that frees up your salesperson to do the important work, building relationships and making sure everything stays on the level. It's literally the best of both worlds.
And that really gets to the heart of it. The goal here isn't to replace your salespeople. No way. It's to amplify them. It's about getting rid of that 70% of junk work so they can double down on the human skills that actually close deals.
Okay, so let's tie this all together. When you combine the power of AI with a strategy that's built on ethics and has a human watching over it, that's when you find the real competitive advantage, one that actually lasts. And listen, this isn't just some feel-good, let's be nice kind of thing. This is a straight-up business strategy. In a world where all your competitors can buy the exact same software, the companies that are going to win are the ones that people actually trust. And that really is the bottom line, isn't it? Your biggest competitive edge isn't going to be your tech. It's going to be the one thing that can't be coded or automated. Real, honest-to-goodness customer trust. So, as you go back and think about your own strategy, it all comes down to one final question. Is your AI just being programmed for efficiency, or is it being engineered for trust? Because that choice right there is going to decide who wins this next chapter in sales.